Hello guys, welcome to Online Hustlers Academy. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get registered on SafePal wallet. SafePal wallet. My last video, someone asked a question on the comment section about this right here, and I decided to make this video so that it can help people out there who are seeking answers to this question. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, and hit also the thumbs up button, and let's jump right into the video. Thank you so much. Okay guys, so we are in my phone. You go to your, this is my Android, I use Android phone, so you go to Play Store. If you are a iPhone user, you can go to your App Store and search for SafePal. You search for SafePal. This is it, and here is the SafePal crypto wallet. You hit the download button. I'm just gonna wait for my own to download. All right guys, so the app has been downloaded. You click open. Read through the instructions. You check these. I have read terms and conditions. Afterwards, you click get started. You are going to choose a password, any password of your choice, but you make sure you don't forget your password. So I'm going to choose a very simple password. You confirm the password, security password, and then you click start SafePal journey. Now they are asking for soft wallet or hard wallet. Which wallet do you want to create? If you are using hard wallet, then you will need a PC, and also you need it's like hard drive where you store informations. So you store your Bitcoin, your crypto, or whatever funds you want to keep on your SafePal. You put it in that hard drive. It's not on phone, but when you are using your phone and other softwares, you use software wallet. So we are using software wallet. Now it's asking you to create a new wallet, import your phrase, private key, key store. You get, because we do not have an account with them before and we don't have all this stuff, you just click create a new wallet. You are creating a new wallet. Now you are going to put in that password you put before. Make sure you are consistent guys, and choose a name. I'm going to use online Hustlers Academy and continue. Right, wallet created. Now it's asking you to back up on your Google Drive or backup manually. I would use backup manually. And now this is your phrase. They will tell you no screen. Alright guys, I'm so sorry I could not record this part. It's because of privacy. The platform did not enable screen record or screenshot. That's why I could not record this part, so I'm going to just skip it, so that and the process is straightforward. It's just your phrase key. You are going to write them down, then input them back again. That is it. But I'm skipping this part for convenience sake, so that you don't waste your time over it. It's not really important. So guys, this is a simple way to create your wallet on SafePal. Alright, this is a simple way to create your wallet on SafePal. If you want me to show you how to create a video, you just say I need a video on how to do transaction on this wallet. I'm going to show you guys a video on how to do a transaction on this wallet. I will send money from outside the wallet to this and do transaction inside, so that you guys can see. Alright guys, so we've come to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and the comment section. Drop a comment to say I actually got it right. And so I want to quickly analyze shortly something I noticed about that comment. You're right, because
as a few months back, I got a comment similar to that on my comment section, and the guy dropped his wallet phrase and all that stuff. And I'm telling you guys to take caution with this. Keep your wallet safe. Your phrase key are meant to be safe with you, not with other people. So when you have your phrase key, keep it safe. Don't come to the comment section and drop your phrase key, because people can access your funds. And I feel those people might be doing it deliberately, because I mean, if they get the access, I mean, if they drop their phrase key that easily on the comment section, and most people will be tempted to like go check the account, and you might not like what you see. Maybe you might see. So I'm just saying though, you might get the funds there, some funds that you'll be trying to withdraw, and after you like deposit, you have to deposit before you can withdraw this money. And if you deposit, sorry, your money will go. You get. So be careful with how you handle things like this. So guys, that's all for now. Thank you for watching this far. I love you all. Bye.